Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. It's the 1st of September 2022, and it's time to share the Pink and Maine new subscription products for the month. First, I'm going to show you the stamp of the month. Look at this adorable 4x6 stamp set. It's called Winter Cardinals. Look at those little chubby birds. Aren't they sweet? I think they've had a few too many candy canes. So if you're a subscriber to the stamp of the month, you're going to get this 4x6 stamp set delivered to your door this month. If you subscribe to the stamp and die of the month, you're going to get the stamp set as well as the coordinating dies. If you subscribe to the stamp of the month, the 4x6 stamp set is delivered to your door every month for $12 within the US. We do add a shipping charge if you're in Canada or other international location. If you subscribe to the stamp and die of the month, you're going to get the stamp set as well as the coordinating dies delivered to your door for $24 within the US. Again, we do add shipping for international locations. That is a great savings. Now you can purchase these stamps and dies later on in the month when we release them with our regular release. But the stamp set will be $16 and the die will be $18. Now let's jump in and take a look at the Crafty Courtyard kit for this month. I'll show you the cardstock first. We have a beautiful fall palette. We've got this tan, a teal, light orange, yellow, dark orange, green, and of course your two ice rink 110-pound white cardstocks. Here is the postcard. Look at that. That gives you a hint of what's inside. Isn't that pretty? The theme is floral pumpkin. The postcard tells you everything that's inside the kit, as well as the color palette, and also where you can join our Facebook group to share your creations with the kit and also see what everyone else is creating. You're going to get your large zippered mesh project bag. We have a gorgeous exclusive sequin mix for the kit. It's got those beautiful fall colors in a nice metallic shine. We've got some envelope seals that say Happy Fall, have a nice big leaf on there. We have some enamel dots, and don't they sparkle? These have glitter in them. I have to say, I love the glitter enamel dots. They just add that little sparkle and shine to your projects. You're going to get a full 6x6 paper pad. It's 24 sheets. We have 24 patterns inside, but they're double-sided, so you get 2 of each pattern. Let's take a look at some of the patterns inside. I've been a card maker for a very long time, so I really think about the patterns that go into each and every one of our paper pads. I design all the paper pads, and I design them with the thought that everything coordinates and goes together. So that if you have a polka dot, you can put it with a stripe. We've got this fun texture here. You could put it with the pumpkins, or you could put it with a stripe or polka dot. Everything matches and coordinates. Look at these leaves. We've got a wood grain pattern, some houndstooth. We have, it looks like burlap. That's really cool. And we have plaid, we have gingham. They just keep going and going. I think we're back to the beginning, but lots of fun patterns to create some really great cards with. You're getting a 6x6 embossing folder. This is the leaf embossing folder. So it has a fun leaf background. It's going to add some great dimension and texture to your cards. You're going to get a 6x6 stamp set. We've got this big pumpkin image with this nice flower in front of it. And then we've got some great sentiments to go along with it that you can use all year round. Congratulations on your achievement. I cherish our friendship. Celebrate every day. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Thankful for your kindness. Autumn blessings. Happy fall. Hey pumpkin. Happy anniversary to both of you. Best wishes on your special day. So as you can see, you can use this for lots of occasions. We've got a 6x6 stencil in the kit for you. The top portion of this stencil here colors all of the stamp image. So you can color that pumpkin, the leaves, the flower center. You can color all of that with your stencil. You don't even have to pull out the colored pencils or the markers. And the bottom portion creates a fun buffalo plaid pattern. Last but certainly not least, we've got a large set of dies here for you. We have a coordinating die for the stamp set, so you're going to be able to cut that pumpkin with the flower. You're going to be able to cut that out. We've got a word die that says thank you in the same nice script font that the sentiments from the stamp set are in. And then we've got a nice big bold leaf. So you get the leaf with all the veins, but you also get the shadow piece, which is just the plain leaf that goes around it. So you can use them together or separately. Remember, as long as you're an active subscriber to any one of our subscription products, that you automatically get 15% off on our website on all your other purchases. That is an automatic discount. As long as you're logged into the website in your account, the website will know you're a subscriber and it will automatically show you the prices that are discounted for you. We allow you to skip a month if you like or you need to, and you can cancel anytime. But with such a great value, why would you ever do that? That's just my humble opinion. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our September 2022 subscription products. Our stamp and die of the month and our Crafty courtyard kit are some of the best deals in town. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? It's a perfect time to subscribe. You can head on over to pinkandmain.com, check them out for yourself. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.